Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make nozzles for cake decoration using paper plates. So let's move on. While taking your paper plate, you might have paper plates like this, but while using paper plates which have this design in the middle, you won't get the perfect result. So it's better to use if you have like this. Okay, so first you need to take your paper plate and then using your scissors you need to cut it in the square shape. Just like that, I've cut 4 squares like this. So I'll show you 4 designs. So you can take one square and then you can just roll this in the shape of a nozzle. So now you need to take some tape. So I've stuck the tape like this. So this tape is to hold this firm. Now you can take your scissors and then you can just level out this side. You can make it in that perfect circle shape. So I've cut it like this. Now you can take your scissors and then just cut it like here. It'll be like this. You can make the hole a little more bigger. You can adjust it according to your needs. So I am done with all the 4 squares that we took. You need to follow the same process for all the squares. So out of that I have taken one. Now we can make the leaf design. For that you can just press this at the top like this. And then from both the sides you can cut this in this slanting design. Then in the middle you can just cut this like this as shown. No need to cut it fully, only this much should be cut. Even from this side you can cut that much. And then you can just take it out. So you will be having this design. Using this nozzle you can do the leaf design. So I have taken another nozzle. For this you can take your scissors and then just insert it inside and you can cut this in that zigzag design. So this is how it has to be. You can take that out. Like this you can cut it almost till the half of the nozzle. Okay, so this is how it should be. So this nozzle is also ready. This is the basket nozzle. Using this you can draw the design of basket. So next I have taken another nozzle. In this it's a very simple design. You can just flatten the top a bit. And from any one side you can just cut this in a slanting way. It would be like this. See, it will be like this. This is the rose design nozzle. So this is our last nozzle. Now just like we did before for the basket shape nozzle, you would need to cut this in triangular shapes like this. Just like this. Like this you can cut for the entire nozzle. And make sure that you cut it a bit big like this. So I have cut the entire nozzle like this. Now you can just bend these curves which are here. You can just bend this. You can use this as it is. Then you will have the open star nozzle. This is the normal star nozzle. For that you need to bend this. So I am done with that also. So now all our 4 nozzles are ready. So for the link of this mug cake recipe, it's in the description below. So I am doing this design using the star nozzle which we made right now. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, please like, share, comment, and also if you're watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Watch you guys in the next video.